Hey y'all, it's your girl Jamie Shantae. I am back today with another video, and today I am going to try to transform this wig. I'm going to take all this color out that's in this here. I'm sorry if I'm looking way over there. That's like where my viewfinder is at, but I can see myself on the screen. But this is a wig that I purchased from someone else, and I literally wore it. I can't even say wore. I put it on once and like took pictures and took it off and never wore it again. And I don't think I ever will wear this again. I don't. Plus, I have to reconstruct this wig too because it's too small. So I'm gonna take this wig completely apart too. But right now, I'm gonna see if I can get rid of this color. Okay, cause it's a cute color and all. The person who did this, I done got it in the water already. The person who did this does like a really dope job with color, but I want to do something else with it, and it's not gonna even be for me anymore. I'm gonna resell it, so we'll see what we can do. So we're gonna try remove all this color. It's like blue, gray. A gray shouldn't be too hard to remove, but I'm gonna hope whatever this little technique works. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm about to do. So basically, pure baking soda right here, and some Dawn dish soap, the platinum Dawn dish soap. I don't know if it really matters, but I just want to try to see if I can get rid of this color without bleaching it, because bleaching is too much, and then sometimes you never know if people use like good hair or not. So this is like a non-harsh way of trying to remove hair, but I don't know. Let's see if this works. I don't know. So first thing first, there's like no specific measurements or anything. I'm gonna just try to, I don't know, let it do what it do. So I thought it had like a smell, but I'm gonna just dump it right in. This water's like super hot. It's not like boiling water. It's just, that's a lot, but I don't know what I'm doing. This is hot. I don't know if you can see it steaming, but it's steaming. It's just, I didn't boil it or nothing. I just got it hot. Straight out the bath, faucet, water, whatever. Then I'm gonna take the Dawn dish soap. I don't know how much to put in here. We just gonna squeeze that in here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna comb this out before I dump it in. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is gonna be. I really hope this works, because I already know what I'm doing, and I'm just winging it. I think the other person I was saying try this. Well, it is winging it, and so I'm about to wing it too. Just hope for the best. I'm just trying to mix this in. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. I am hilarious, y'all. I'm gonna just dump this in. Right now the water is blue, and I can see through it. We're just gonna dump this in. I don't know. Just gonna see. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, y'all. This is just me trying stuff that I see on the internet or whatever, but I'm gonna just mix it in. Sorry if my head gets out the frame, but I'm just let this sit for like, I think I see some of the color coming out already. Just let this sit for about 10 minutes. Let's see what's gonna happen, because I don't know, child. But I see color. It looks like color's coming out. Yeah. Yeah, I cannot stand myself, but I don't know what I'm doing for real. So we just test this and see. If it works, y'all share this video, because we just trying stuff. And let this go public, because help a stylist, help a stylist. Yeah, help a stylist, help a stylist. Starting to get bubbly too, because of the shampoo from this soap. I don't know if I'm gonna be mixing this or what. Yeah. Y'all. Just got some on my pants. Look like I just spilled cocaine on my pants. I'm in love with that cocoa. But yeah, we just gonna let this sit. I don't know why I keep playing when I keep saying I'm gonna let this sit, but yeah, we just gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. I think I did that too soon. I feel like I smell the color coming out. Hope this works because I already bought like hair color to redo this, and if this don't work, shoot. It's kind of hot when you dip your hand all in. It is hot. But the color is coming out, but we probably gonna have to do this a couple times, so. I got sensitive hands, so this stuff hot. I'm trying not to say swear words, cause I heard y'all be flagging people for that, so. You ain't gonna flag me, honey child. Honey child. Okay. And yeah, if y'all start seeing like more weed videos and natural hair videos, don't get offended, cause that's what I do a lot. I wear a lot of weeds. I love my natural hair, but I wear a lot of weeds cause me, I'm a lazy natural. So I do anything that can keep my hair tucked away and me out of my hair, because if my hair is out like this, I am like constantly touching it, constantly taking in and out buns or whatever, constantly brushing on top of it, and that's just called unbraided. So I'd rather just keep it braided up until like I'm ready to actually do something like try like a twist out or something. But I really want to try like a twist out or a braid out real soon. Probably after I do this wig, install this wig, to wear that for like 2 weeks, and then yeah, this more hot. Yes, it is so steaming hot. It's hot in here. Bro, shut up, laughing so loud, but yeah. Can y'all tell I'm bored? I just felt so motivated to do a video and to like try this out, so y'all should be happy for me. For real. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. This is hot. It is hot, and I don't know where the top of this wig is at. Yeah. Alright, now, so I'm gonna go rinse this out and do another batch. I'll be right back. Yeah. Oh shit. The hell just gonna break on me like that? You just gonna break on me like that? Like I ain't gotta pick this big old thing up? Okay. give you what you want. I'm gonna put this handle back on. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with fresh batch of hot water. First time, I think I used way too much. Dish soap, cause that hair was super soapy. So this time we're gonna use less dish soap. So I'm just gonna go that much right there. I don't even know how much of that to use, but so this is what the hair is looking like right now. We're just gonna dunk it again in the water. It's like lighter, but I don't know if it like really helped. But it's definitely, when I poured out the water, it definitely was blue or whatever. So color is coming out, but I don't know exactly. And I'm gonna just clean up this water, or just put a towel over here, because I don't even make it a mess. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get the result that I want, because I ain't gonna stop until I get what I want. I'm gonna give you what you want. I'm gonna give you what you want. Gunk apartment. That is my shit. So it's definitely been longer than 10 minutes. So we're gonna see what this is looking like right now. Any difference? About the front tool. Okay. Definitely lighter. I'm gonna do it one more time. Maybe 2 more times, but I'm gonna keep doing it until I can get as light as I possibly can. For real. But that darker blue is definitely almost gone. This closure is definitely like almost back. Like, you still got some like the lighter blues in there. So I'm gonna just keep on doing this until I get it to how I want it to be. And I'm definitely gonna do like the silicone treatment after I do this, just to help restore the hair. Make sure it's like full, good and soft, and back to its normal state. As you can see, those dark blues, or violets, or whatever color that was, is like very faded out now. That's really good. So we can do another batch and see how we got. I'm gonna show y'all what this color water looks like. As you see, that's the color of the water. That's the color what the water looks like. And that's like that violet that came out. But like a closer look. Still some dark violets in there, so like right there. See if we can get that to come out. And just keep on trying until we get what we want. Don't give up, keep on going.